Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This week I'm jumping on a train from Darlington up to Newcastle. I'm going to stay at the Holiday Inn Jesmond. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Just about 40 minutes up the road to Newcastle. Working in Newcastle now, so it's like going back to work, except I'm not going to work really.
Please make sure you take all your personal belongings.
Welcome back to a shiny new video. It's been a while, hasn't it? I'm in Newcastle today and I'm off to see, no, not the Wild Art, it's normally Wild Art, isn't it? But tonight I'm off to see Michael Monroe and Buck Cherry. And most of you have probably never heard of the bands, but it doesn't really matter. But mainly to do a review of the Holiday Inn in Jesmond, which is where we are. So let's go and get checked in. It's been raining by the looks of it, but I've been in the metro, so I didn't really get wet. In fact, didn't get wet at all. Green light, go, go, go. I was actually here in Jesmond with Mrs. Teesside Traveller a few weeks ago to celebrate the wedding of my friend Mr. Ian Waller. And if you're watching, guys, congratulations, hope married life's treating you well. I think I've actually stayed here before, and it was with my good friend Cece, Mr. Colin Campbell. Hello mate, if you're watching. It's a weird one this, because the room key is actually on my phone, which is very odd, isn't it? Anyway, here we are, the Holiday Inn Newcastle Jesmond. Just a few minutes from the metro, which is handy if you come in under your own steam rather than driving. I forgot to mention the gigs at the Newcastle University, which is just a few minutes away. Well, there it is there. 137, 137. It's a bit of a rabbit warren, isn't it? No, not that way. Must be through this door here. No, that's not it either. I'm lost. This is madness. Right. Right, okay. Whilst I wander around this labyrinth of a hotel trying to find my room, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the reminder bell. It's totally free and it helps me out a lot. Cheers. It's marvellous, isn't it? Oh dear me, I need the loo. The ground floor. 131 floor. Blimey heck, I've got to take the lift. Oh my goodness me, okay. At least I've got plenty of time before the show starts tonight. Okay, 137. Blimey. Oh dear. Oh, I'm on the second floor. Oh no. How am I on floor 2? This is crazy. I've ended up on the second floor. I wanted the first floor. I pressed the first floor button. I don't know what's going on. This has got to be one of the hardest rooms to find ever in the history of hotels in all my travels. Right, we'll try again. First floor. First floor. Try that. 130 to 141. I'm in 137, so this has got to be it. 129. It's got to be this way then. Okay. Oh, this is looking good. 135. 136. Oh my god. 135. 137. Right, welcome to the room. I'll just take my rucksack off and we'll have a little look around. Right, well the first thing I'll say is quite dingy in here, but I'll put some lights on now, and it's not the biggest room in the world, and for the price, this was not cheap, I'll tell you. Price is going to be in the description below. It's pretty soundproof. I opened this, you can hear the traffic a little bit, but when it's closed you can't hear a thing. It's quite good that, so you can pull the curtains back and have a little look out the window at my view. There's a big TV there, so it was a bonus. And over here we have a table with all the, that's pretty good, it's got lots of HDMI sockets, USB, blah blah blah. And there is another light there, but that's not, I'll switch that on. The more light you can get, the better as far as I'm concerned. So yeah, a little work area there, that's not too bad. A nice bit of artwork there, which is quite nice. And what does it say on the mirror? Welcome and enjoy your stay. Very nice, thank you. And we have the usual tea and coffee making facilities. Unfortunately, it's just the bog standard instant stuff that I don't really like. Custard creams. I should probably take them home because I like the custard cream, but I won't be having them while I'm here. Okay, little bin down there. Right. Storage wise, we have a ironing board, there's one here. Hair dryer for later after I've washed my hair. And an iron, and there's a laundry service as well as your coat hangers in there as well, which is fine. Very nice. Okay, the bed itself, it's not huge, but there's only me here, so that's all right. Let's see what it feels like. Yeah, it feels okay, quite springy. And the good news is both sides of the bed has a power socket, which you know I like. So that's good. And there's a temperature thermostat thing there for the AC, I would imagine. Temperature seems okay just now, so I probably won't touch that. And then the bathroom. Okay, cheap and cheerful. Loo rolls the correct way around, which we like. Who puts it the other way around? Psychopaths, I reckon. Spare loo roll. Your towels. Body wash, etc. A couple of glasses, sink. Does look very clean. And there's the shower itself. Some nice products, soak products, there we go. It's okay. Do you know what, I might have a bath later, or in the morning perhaps, depending on what time I get up. I haven't had a bath for ages. But yeah, that is the room. So I'm going to chill out for a little bit, and then I'm going to get changed and head off to see Michael Monroe and Buck Cherry. And still to come is the breakfast tomorrow morning, which I'm looking forward to. I've heard it's pretty good here, so stay tuned and we'll have breakfast in the morning. I'll let you know how the sleep was. Cheers for now. But before I went to the show, I decided to have a beer and something to eat in the restaurant, which was quite nice. Pretty quiet, wasn't many people there, but that's all right. Well, my food's arrived, and I've got to say, I'm a bit underwhelmed. £18.95 for that. I'll let you know what it's like when I've eaten it. 20 quid? Nah. It filled a gap, I suppose, so that's all it was. I mean, for 20 quid, a burger like that, it was just an absolute rip-off, to be honest. It wasn't even that nice.
The next morning.
Good morning. What a gig that was. Really, really enjoyed it. Saw some friends and had a good sleep in that there bed behind me. And it's time for breakfast. I'm pretty hungry, so come on, let's go.
So that's been Holiday Inn in Jesmond, Newcastle. It's been a nice stay. Room was comfortable enough, but breakfast was okay. Nothing to shout about really, but was it worth the money I paid? Probably not, but enjoyed last night. It was a great gig. So if you watched this far to the end, guys, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. It's totally free. And I'm going to say one more thing at the end. This video is for you, Dad. Thanks for all your support, and I hope you get well soon. Love you lots. Cheers for now, guys. Bye-bye.